Well, good afternoon. I am up here in the Burren. Just found my camping spot. The reason why I picked here is a bit of a breeze, but this mound here will block the wind from coming in. I'm trying out a new tent tonight. It's the Langshan one. I have the Four Seasons inner, so it's meant to get very cold tonight. Like, we're talking down to -3, -4 degrees, and you wouldn't think it now. It's actually quite warm, but I just checked the weather forecast again, and yep, it's it's going all the way down. So I have all the gear, so I'm looking forward to getting set up now. And I wanted to do a camp today where I'm not rushing. I'm always rushing to get to the site, to get to the perfect spot, to get there before the sun set, then to cook before it gets too dark and then it gets too late to eat. So today I took it upon myself to get here. It's 4 o'clock and I'm setting up already, so I can have hours just to sit down and relax. Had a busy few weeks now, and I think I wanted to come to the Burren just to decompress and just to be. And the last thing I wanted to be doing is rushing, so yeah, let's get the Langshan up and see what it's like. So this is a 3FUL gear, Langshan 1. It's the 2021 version of it. The reason why I'm saying the 2021 version is there's a few things different. So if you're going to get one of these, get the 2021 version. I absolutely adore the colour of it. It's unbelievable. That is so camouflage like. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Oh, she's big. So, what's keeping me warm tonight? I have my Sea to Summit Ascent AC. It's a 750 loft down. It weighs in at around 1.1 kilograms. I use this on top of Temple Hill. The last wild camp that I did, it was unbelievably freezing, but this suits me. And it took me so long to get the proper sleeping system because I don't like mummy bags. I feel claustrophobic in them. So this suits me because it's more of a square shape, and it's actually made for people who have restless feet or hot feet, because there's a zip at the bottom where you can actually unzip and just shove your feet out, and that for me is absolutely perfect. But unbelievably warm, so I'm looking forward to getting into this tonight. All right. I brought this new, well, I wouldn't say new. I got this pot stand from AliExpress and I kind of butchered it to suit what I need, if that makes sense. Especially coming into the drier months, you want, if you're doing alcohol stoves, you want something with feet that it keeps it off the ground or anything hot. You don't want the ground to burn, or you, God forbid, that you started an actual bushfire. So just be very careful when you're cooking outdoors, especially how dry it was for the last couple of weeks. So yeah, that's why I brought this one today. Let's see how it goes. Nice. Not a bad spot for dinner. Beautiful. It's so nice to come out and just relax and not be rushing. Like, I'm finished eating now and I have a cup of tea here and we've a half an hour to the sunset. Ah, so nice. I have to break out the big hat. It's freezing. The sun is going down, look at this. Over Galway Bay. That was absolutely unbelievable. Wow. Oh, it's nights like this, isn't it? Dessert. I brought a can of Guinness and I said I wasn't going to drink it because it's going to be so cold. So now I'm going to drink it. But it's freezing. Eh. Cheers, everyone. Cheers. Oh my God, that's beautiful. I'm glad I brought it now. That's a lie, I brought two. I kind of forgot the glasses were on until I saw it on the screen here. And I thought it was a lot darker than it was, but it wasn't. It's a lot... I had the glasses on the full time, I thought it was dark. I'm such an idiot. Oh yeah. It's a nice surprise. I thought it was that dark that I went down and got my lights and all. Jesus, I'm some langer. So, oh, I'm in bed. Finally, it's absolutely freezing out. But yeah, really impressed by the Langshan. The vestibule is massive. It's the biggest vestibule I've ever seen in a tent. So far that I have anyway. But anyway, I'm going to watch a movie now. I'm going to set my alarm and get up for the sunrise at, I think it's 7:10. I can double check it. But yeah, plus I have a lollipop in bed. A sentence I thought I'd never say. Anyway, I'm going to watch a movie and I will catch you in the morning. Night night. That was beautiful. So lucky to get a sunset like that and a sunrise like that. Spectacular. There isn't a breeze up here. Oh my God. So I'm gonna get breakfast now and sit out with the sunrise still going up. Happy days. It's time to hit the road. What a morning. Okay, suited up, ready to go. Leave no trace. I double checked everything to make sure there was nothing around. I actually picked up 4 bits of paper belonged to other people, but look, so be it. Anyway, okay, let's hit the road. Oh yeah, nearly back at the car. Oh, that was incredible. Yes, I love the Burren. It's one of my favorite places. The perfect place to come to decompress. So, nothing like a night in the hills on your own. So come here, thanks very much for watching, and please hit the subscribe button. It's free to do and it really helps me out. And I'll see you on the next adventure. So stay safe out there. Stay safe out in the mountain.